Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Horan here with a math lesson on using the number line, okay? I'm here with a number line, and also you're probably noticing one of my big teddy bears is joining us today. So he's gonna kind of watch and see how we do. So in your classrooms at school, you have a number line in your classroom. In Mrs. Horan's room, the number line is above the calendar. And we often use the number line above the calendar when we're doing number stories. We use it often when we're doing our class attendance. We will use our number line when we're doing some addition and sometimes some subtraction, okay? But that's kind of new. So today is going to be a lesson on how do we use the number line when we're trying to add numbers or maybe subtract numbers, okay? So the number line you see here, and I'm gonna use my frog pointer to help today, starts at 0 and it ends at 20. Let's say the numbers from 0 through 20 and the frog will point to it. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice job. Okay, the number line can be a great help when we're adding or subtracting. So what we're going to do today is, I have some numbers here, and right now these numbers are 0 through 10. And all the numbers in between. And I'm going to shuffle them up. And I'm going to draw a number. I'm going to pick a number, okay? And that's going to be the number that we start on. So for instance, if I pick this number, what number did I get, class? 6, good. That's going to be the number that we begin with on our number line, okay? That's the first number. So the frog, my frog, is going to go to the number 6. Now I'm going to pick a second number. Okay, let's see what I get. How about this number? What number is that, friends? Yes, that's a 3. So now I have a 6 and a 3. So I'm going to start at 6 and I'm going to go 3 frog hops forward. When we plus or add, we go forward on the number line. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. What number did I land on? Yes, I landed on 9. So if I was to turn that into a number sentence, I'm going to think about the first number, 6. Think about the second number, plus 3. And what was the number that Froggy landed on? Yeah, it was a 9. So my first number sentence looks like this. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay? All right, let's try another one. I'm going to need your help, friends. I'm going to pull a number, and I want you to say what the number is. Okay, how about this number? What number is that? That's right, it's 5. Okay, so Froggy is going to go to the 5. If you're not sure where 5 is, a strategy, you can count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to draw a second number. Let's see how many hops the frog will need to go. What number is that, everybody? 2. Okay, so now we're adding, we're plussing. So when we plus, we go forward on the number line. 2 hops we're going to go. Here we go. 1, 2. What number did we land on, class? Yes, it's a 7 across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. So now we're going to write that number sentence. Well, first it was 5 plus 2 frog hops forward, and that made us land on, or the frog land on, 7. So my second number sentence looks like this. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Ooh, you're good at this. Let's try another one. Okay, friends, what number is that? Yes, make an S and don't be late. Hurry back to make an 8. Okay, Froggy's gonna go right to the 8. Here it is, that's the starting point, okay? All right, let's see what we're gonna add, or how many hops forward. What number is that? Down and over and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Okay, let's see where it's gonna take us. We're going 4 frog hops forward on the number line starting at 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, what number did we land on? It's a teen number, friends. It's a 1 and a 2. Yes, a 12. All right, let's make our number sentence. We started with 8. We went 4 hops forward. And we landed on a tricky teen, 12. Let's look at that number sentence, friends. Here it is. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Okay, let's see if we can do one more. Notice that we're going forward on the number line. Forward is when we're adding. Backwards is when we're subtracting. Today our focus is on the adding, okay? All right, Froggy, let's get a number. Ooh, what number is that, friends? Yeah, a loop and a line makes a 9. Okay, let's find 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's see how many hops. What number is that, friends? 0. Is my frog gonna move forward? Nope, it's going to stay put because 0 means none or nothing. Okay, where did I end up? On the 9. Good work. Let's write the number sentence. 9 was the first number. Our second number was 0 plus 0, and that equals 9. Let's read that number sentence together. Here it is down here. 9 plus 0 equals 9. Nice job. So a fun way to add on the number line is taking a number, starting on that number, taking another number and moving some hops forward to see where you end up. And that becomes your number sentence. Okay, the number line's a great way, it's a great strategy for when we're adding, and it is a great strategy for when we're subtracting. Today we're focusing on our adding. Okay, so Mrs. Horan's going to send your family some activities that you can use to practice your number line math. If it's hard for you to print out a number line, you can make your own number line. Mrs. Horan made this number line with just paper and a marker, okay? And if you have a hard time printing out numbers, you can write them. You can make your own numbers, your own number cards, okay? Boys and girls, you did a really nice job working with Mrs. Horan, and I hope that you practice your number line addition after the video and do your very best work. Bye, everybody. Oh, and by the way, Teddy Bear says, great job, high five.